As soon as I turn the microphone on, someone slides a chair around upstairs. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a bullet move in a sine wave motion. So the first step is to watch my normal bullet tutorial because I'm gonna be using my existing bullet prefab for this. I'm gonna go ahead, spawn my prefab, and expand it. So right now, it's a normal rotating square bullet. But for this example, I'm going to remove the rotation part, deleting this keyframe, and I'm going to turn off the randomizing so that it only appears at one position. So right now, it just goes in a straight line in that one position. So this bullet is going to have an extra object that will repeatedly move up and down, but it will be parented to this existing bullet, and that will make it move across the screen. So first, I'm going to make this third object. I'm going to click Object, Normal, Shift plus drag this down, and I will make this a pink circle. Now I will click the first position keyframe, and I will set the Y position to 1.5. Then I will add another keyframe about here, and I will set this Y position to -1.5. Then I will just add one more keyframe about the same distance away and set this back to 1.5. And next I will change both of these keyframes ease types to in, out, sine. Now if I wanted this object to move up and down at a higher arc, I could set the 1.5 to 2 and the -1.5 to -2. The further apart those values are, the higher the arc will be. So I changed the object's color to black so you can see it better, but right now the bullet looks like this. If you look in the center of the screen, you can see it move up and down. So all I have to do is copy these two keyframes a bunch. In the future, there's going to be a repeating keyframe option, so you don't have to copy and paste the same keyframes over and over. But as of April 25th, this is how you do it. You copy these two keyframes with Control-C, then you just Control-V over and over and over. So that should be enough. Now, this is what the object looks like. Now, a little note, and if you've ever taken trigonometry, this should be easy to understand, but if you move these keyframes closer together, it increases the frequency of the wave, which means the object will move up and down faster. So now all I have to do is parent it to this bullet. So first, I'm going to name the bullet something else so I can find it. I will go to this circle, and I will parent it to the original bullet. Then I'll just make the original bullet invisible by selecting empty in this drop-down menu. And that's how you make an object move in a sine wave. I can turn the randomizing back on if I want it to have a random position again. I can make this into a prefab like this, and I can paste it a bunch. And now I can have a bullet sequence full of these wavy objects. So I've decided from now on I'm going to make videos on how to make certain attacks, like this one. I guess I'll show some neat animating tricks, and I'll make update videos on new features of the editor when they come out. And, you know, I'm also going to do some other stuff, like I'll probably mess around and experiment. I want to have fun with this. So, yeah, thanks for keeping up with the series. Join the Discord, and to coin a phrase, like and subscribe.